So the imparfait is used to describe background events and usually used to describe weather. Usually when you talk about the weather in the past, you don't normally say it rained. Well, you might. But usually when you're describing the weather conditions, you're saying the equivalent of it was raining or it was snowing. And so usually you're going to hear the imparfait used in weather terms. So as in il neigeait. So il neige is the present tense, remember? And the imparfait would be il neigeait. What about, how do you say it was raining? I mean, it rains. Il pleut. Because we don't normally use weather with the pronoun nous, we wouldn't say we snow, or we are snowing. We wouldn't say we are raining. These are just used with il. And so you can't really, you just kind of have to learn these because there's no new form to take off the ONS that I know of anyway. So this one is il pleuvait. I want to make sure I'm spelling it right. Yep. And there's one more, which is il y a. The imparfait of il y a is il y avait. Remember, this is an expression that's just, meaning there is or there are, like il y a des étudiants dans la classe. Well, if you want to say there were students in the class, it'd be il y avait. This is avoir, and it does change to the normal imparfait form of avoir, but this is an expression that doesn't have a new form to go with it. Okay, d'accord? But, oh, and by the way, normally when you're talking about the past and you want to say that somebody was a certain way, like you would say j'étais, j'étais, okay, so weekend, j'étais, où était? J'étais chez mes parents. Nous avons dîné. So this is kind of how it can contrast with the passé composé. I was at my house, my parents' house. We ate dinner. So anyway, that's just one example.